Investing in stocks can put you in a position where you can automatically turn on a faucet of cash, a faucet of inflows to pay all your bills. And that's in the form of dividends. Stocks pay dividends, and it is great to have them regularly come into my account. In fact, I am working on building my dividend portfolio so I can get to $10,000 per month. And I can pay all my bills, take my wife on vacation, and have everything covered. That gives me the ability of never having to sell one share of stock, always keeping my net worth growing because the portfolio is basically taking care of everything. I'd like to share with you the stocks that I'm seeing that are really good stocks to consider as dividend stocks. As we approach 2025, the economic news is positive. We're going to have a good economy. So, how can we take advantage of that? Buy into companies that are going to be improving and increasing their dividends. That's what this video is going to cover. Let's take a look at these quality companies that I hope you find interesting. I'm sure you want to become a better investor and build your wealth. I encourage you to become a member of this community. We share a lot of knowledge, experience, and ideas on investing. You get access to an investor call every week, as well as some workshops to better improve the ability to find great investments and buy into the right companies. There's 3 programs that I would appreciate you considering, and I hope you become a member. Thank you. Dividend stocks are very popular, but the trick is to find high quality companies that are going to appreciate in value while paying you a great dividend. What's the sense in getting a good dividend, but the stock itself goes down? That's a loser in my book. So let me show you companies that I believe are discounted and pay really good dividends. Johnson & Johnson is a very well-known company that has been a very trusted company for a long time. Their credit rating is as good as it gets. And what's interesting is the stock hasn't gone up a whole lot. At the same time, their dividend rate is a little over 3%. I'm expecting that Johnson & Johnson's likely going to go up in value in 2025 while paying a really good dividend. CVS is a beaten down stock that is paying a 4% dividend. This stock, I believe, is really discounted and is set to be a good rebound story for 2025. I'm really keeping a good eye on CVS because it could win in 2 ways. It could go up in price and pay me that 4% dividend. Comcast is a well-operated company that's paying a 3% dividend and has a really low PE. The stock hasn't really performed all that great in 2024, but I think things are looking better in 2025. This stock has sold off, but I think it's going to be a very good rebound story. So stock appreciation and a really good dividend is possible with Comcast. Tapestry is a luxury brand, and they've been doing really well. Their stock is up 66%. Their PE is still reasonably low, and I think it has really good upside. Meanwhile, it pays a nice dividend of 3%. Personal computer sales are on the rise, and Hewlett Packard is going to be the beneficiary of that trend. The stock has been working in 2024, and I think it's going to continue to rally into 2025 while paying a 3% dividend. PNC is in the financial services space. It did really well in 2024, and I think it's going to keep rising in 2025. Meanwhile, it'll pay a 3.5% dividend. Really good, both as an appreciating stock and an income stock. As oil prices have gone up, so have oil stock prices. And Exxon is a really good company that is taking advantage of those high oil prices. The stock pays a 3% dividend and has really good upside as oil prices continue to go up. Diamondback Energy is really benefiting from higher oil prices, and this company stock should continue to rally into 2025. And it pays a really impressive 4.8% dividend. So this could be a winner in 2 ways. The economy should be good in 2025, and interest rates continue to go down, therefore making dividend stocks a good idea for 2025. These were the stocks that I think are interesting, and I'm going to be looking at to see if I want to add any of these stocks to my portfolio. I hope you found the video interesting, and I appreciate you watching.